This product is made with recycled content as part of our ambition to end plastic waste. Lifetime warranty, built to last. Wipe-able lining for easy spot cleaning with soap and water. Two-side mesh water bottle pockets. Fit up to 32 ounces bottles. Interior sleeve securely stores up to a 15/17 laptop. Interior earbud and charger storage. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality, nice and slim. Bought the bag to use for the gym. I didn't want anything too big and bulky as I only needed to store a couple things in it, and this is perfect. It's a quality bag at a decent price.